Hello everyone, welcome to the Web3 Education Investment. So today in this video, I'm going to do a demo and show you the first DOT festival event in the Astar Network. So as we did it before, I will just go over the event. So this is a new event they just posted. And I will also demo how you can do that, how you can use a DeFi. So if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment if you have any questions. And so the DOT Festival event, the first event, this event it's happening on the ArthSwap. So this is the DeFi, one-stop DeFi built on the Astar Network. If you watch my videos before, I mentioned that on the Astar Network, they have a new event to bring the pool that's W Astar and the DOT pool. So now you can earn triple rewards. So you can earn a lot of rewards if you can participate earlier. So they just released that a few hours ago. So I think we are still earning enough. And so you can get your DOT, and you can also have this W Astar, that's a wrapped Astar. So the Astar token in the Ethereum, I think, in the Ethereum, and then you can also bring the DOT to the Ethereum. So it's kind of a EVM compatible for the Astar network. And then you can earn the trading fees. You can also get the ArthSwap farming rewards, and you can also earn additional Astar rewards. There will be 4 steps, and I'm going to show you step by step how you can do that. First, you need to bridge the DOT, and you will provide the liquidity, stake, and also get your Astar pass. So don't worry, I'm going to be here and show you step by step if you are not familiar with the DeFi. First of all, we need to get the DOT to the Astar. So I'm going to use this link. But this is actually the Astar app, the tab. And so once you open that, you may notice that they have the XCM assets. And so from here, you can you can use the XCM to get some of the DOT to your MetaMask. So I do have my MetaMask wallet, so make sure you switch to the Astar chain, and then you copy the address. Now I'm going to do the XCM to transfer some of the some DOT from my JS wallet to the EVM wallet. So that's a MetaMask. And so it will show up my balance right now. I have 8 DOT. I'm going to transfer. Let's try maybe 5 DOT, let's say. And so I will just get 5 DOT and I will just confirm. And so now I need to put the password. If you did this the first time, it may ask you to connect to the Polkadot JS wallet. And so you just need to connect to that. If you don't have any DOT in your JS wallet, you probably need to get it from the exchange like Binance or the Coinbase, those kind of exchanges. And then you can send it to the JS wallet. And then once you send it to the JS wallet, you can connect to the Astar app. And then it's going to be transferred. Now, actually, it's using the XCM. So I made several tutorials on the XCM. So that's a very important protocol in the Polkadot. And so now, if you go to your MetaMask, you will see that under the asset. So I have 5 DOTs now, around 5 DOTs. I have some before. And so now I can go to the second step, is provide liquidity. So of course, you should have the wrapped Astar. Unfortunately, my Astar, most of them, they are now staking. So if I unbound that, it may take 10 days. That's just too much. So instead of doing that, I'm going to show you how you can just maybe swap. So let's go to the ArthSwap. And so first of all, you need to connect to your MetaMask. So this is a MetaMask. I connect to my MetaMask, and then now I need to swap some. And so I need to choose, if you remember, like I have some dot now. So I'm going to swap the dot with some WA star token. I get 5, so maybe I would just get maybe 2.5, just half of them, because I want to do the LP farming later on. So I will just swap half of them. I need to approve the dot first, so I will approve that. They will have the permission to access your dot, and you need to have a little bit A star. So make sure here, like you should transfer some of your A star to your MetaMask. I already did that, so I for the fees, to cover the fees, and so I approve that. And so it will take a little bit time, and then you can do the swap. While they are doing that, I can show you. So you can transfer some of that to your MetaMask. And so if you do that, you can transfer like one A star. Maybe that's enough, because you just need a little bit A star to cover the fees. You don't need to have a lot of them. But of course, if you do have a lot of A star, then you don't need to swap. You can just transfer the A star to the MetaMask, and then go to the ArthSwap to there's a way, like actually you can swap the A star to WA star. So it's just like a 1-1. So you can directly do that. Now we're waiting for the improvement, and so it's still pending. Why is still pending? Maybe we need to speed up. Oh, so if you pay actual gas fee, it will speed it up very likely less than 50 seconds. Okay. Okay, so we can wait while I can just pause the video. Okay, waiting is done. It will take a few maybe a minute or a few minutes, but it's okay. Now I can swap. So I'm going to swap that, and I will confirm that. So I will swap half of them. And now I need to pay some fee. Okay, that's fine. I will just confirm. Oh, transaction submitted. So I guess very soon I'm going to have the some more like wrapped A star. So again, like it would take some time. To save the time, I'm going to just pause the video, and I will come back later on. Okay, I think I don't wait too long actually. So now I have the dot and the wrapped A star. So that's a second step. You need to provide the liquidity. So now let's go provide the liquidity. We go to the pool, add a liquidity. We'll add all of them with the dot. Okay, and so I will add them and approve. Okay, gosh, I hope I don't need to wait that long. Transaction fee. Let's pay some fee, okay, to make it faster. It's not too much actually. I want to make it faster. Let's go ahead to save your time actually. So for those of you who watch the video, so let's make it faster. And this is a fastest one, right? So we just try to approve. Okay. I probably need to pause the video again. Sorry about that. Okay, we get that, and so it's done. We will supply. What happened for this one? Okay, so I think I have this liquidity, and then I should supply confirm. Oh man, I hope I don't need to go over that again, but okay, but I do supply. Maybe that's a next step, like a stake. Is that the next step? I think I just add the liquidity, and okay, and then I need to wait. Okay, so those might be the, okay, I think I already added the liquidity. Yeah, it's still going on, I think. Okay, let's just wait a little bit, And then after that, I guess the staking probably means go here, right? Yeah, stake. So provide liquidity is not enough. Stake to earn that token. So you need to stake that. Okay. And so I need to go, for example, here, this one. I need to stake that. So I need to enable that staking. So it will be again like okay, confirm. Okay. We have several transactions. I probably need to wait. Okay, so two of them in queue. So basically the cool thing for the ArthSwap is their fees, so it's very low, but maybe because the fee is too low, like it would take a little bit longer time. And so as you notice, like they already add the LP. And I think the next one would be enable the stake, and I need to stake that LP, and I need to harvest this ARSW. Is that already? Okay. So it will take a little bit time. Okay. So anyhow, like that's the third step, like stake, and then get your pass. So let me just go ahead and demo the pass. I remember I did that before. So this is the pass. You have to connect your MetaMask and also the Astar native wallet. For me, it's a JS wallet. So I will connect to my JS wallet, and I will connect to my EVM wallet. Okay, so it's automatically connected, and I successfully registered the Astar pass. And so that's a mapping. Yeah, it's a mapping of your Astar native address and the EVM that is MetaMask. And so that's all you need to do. I think I just need to wait for the for this one, like enable and the stake. I hope this demo is helpful for everyone, and you may notice the API is quite high now, and since my video just posted very early, I guess we will earn more rewards. And so if you want to try that, be sure to join earlier. I guess this API will not maintain this high later on. Okay, so hopefully all of you enjoy the this event, the Dot Festival events. Thank you for watching. Bye.